Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this CHAFON M3 USB-C cable. It's a 4-in-1, it's not only USB-C, it has 4 different type of connection possibility, and it's sturdy built with zinc alloy and has a magnetic keychain. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. Yeah, it looks really solid, sturdy build and very well protected. I think it's the most protected charging cable or data cable which I've ever seen. So it has this additional soft rubber cap which protects the 2 open ports here, and here we have the magnets which you can use just to fold and store it in a small location, but you can also wrap it around a keychain and then put it like that back, and then you close it here and you will have it always secured with you, and there's almost no connection which you cannot make with this thing, and it's only using very few space. That's absolutely amazing. So in the default connection we have the old legacy USB-A and the lightning cable for all the Apple devices, and so we have the connection here between the power bank and this iPad, and so I turn it on and let's see what happens. Here you can see it's powering on and charging the device. But we can also charge this iPad here from USB-C, so we just pull it outside, you can see, and now you're using USB-C, same power bank, just another connection, and we turn it on, we can see same thing, it goes into charging automatically. But also on this side we have another port, we just pull it outside and then we see the USB-C, and here on this side we are already on USB-C, so we can connect it, for example, to this USB-C Android device, and we can see it's also powering up and going into charge immediately. But of course we can also stay on USB-C on this side and then go back to the old traditional USB-A on this side, and let's turn it on again. We have power here, let's see what's happening here on this side, and we have same thing, it goes automatically into charging. Yeah, really nice. And so you can see when we have the 2 ends open, it's working with these 2 plugs here, and when we close them here, push them just inside, then it's working with these 2 USB-A and the lightning port. So it's absolutely awesome, really good, very solid build. Here we have even a braided connection, so this is absolutely awesome. I think the most protected charging cable which I've ever seen. You can see how fast we can close and secure everything. So from my side, full recommendations. I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.